Can I use my own phone number with RingCentral? Have you ever wanted to keep your personal phone number separate from your work life? Or maybe you're a small business owner looking to establish a professional phone presence. If so, you've probably come across RingCentral, a popular cloud-based communication platform. But the big question is, can you use your own personal phone number with RingCentral? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand what RingCentral is and how it works. Essentially, RingCentral is a virtual phone system that allows you to make and receive calls, send and receive texts, and even hold video conferences, all through a single platform. The beauty of RingCentral is its flexibility. It can be used by individuals, small businesses, and large enterprises alike. One of the key features that many people are curious about is the ability to use their own personal phone number. Answering the question, so, can you use your own phone number with RingCentral? The short answer is yes, you can. RingCentral offers a feature called number porting that allows you to transfer your existing phone number from your current provider to RingCentral. This means you can keep your familiar number while enjoying the benefits of RingCentral's advanced features. Benefits of using your own number with RingCentral. There are several advantages to using your own phone number with RingCentral. Continuity. You don't have to change your phone number, which can be especially important for businesses or individuals who rely on a consistent phone number for branding or customer recognition. Portability. If you ever decide to switch to a different RingCentral plan or even a different provider, you can easily port your number back. Professionalism. Using a personal phone number for business purposes can sometimes appear unprofessional. RingCentral allows you to establish a separate business line without having to get a new phone number. How to port your number to RingCentral. The process of porting your number to RingCentral is relatively straightforward, but it does involve a few steps. Check eligibility. Ensure that your current provider allows number porting. Most providers do, but it's always good to double-check. Gather information. You'll need to provide RingCentral with your current phone number, account information, and contact details. Submit porting request. Once you've gathered the necessary information, you can submit your porting request to RingCentral. Wait for approval. RingCentral will typically review your request and contact your current provider to initiate the porting process. Activation. Once the porting is complete, your number will be activated on your RingCentral account. Additional considerations. While porting your number to RingCentral is generally a smooth process, there are a few things to keep in mind. Porting timeframes. The exact time frame for porting can vary depending on your current provider and network conditions. Typically takes a few business days. Downtime. During the porting process, you may experience temporary downtime or service interruptions. Fees. Some providers may charge a fee for number porting. It's important to check with your current provider and RingCentral to determine any applicable fees. So, there you have it. You can absolutely use your own phone number with RingCentral. The number porting feature offers a convenient way to maintain your existing number while enjoying the benefits of a cloud-based communication platform. Whether you're an individual or a business, RingCentral can provide a flexible and scalable solution for your communication needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.